Well, it is very important that we watch out the costs in the healthcare system and watch out the quality of that same system. So we must find a way that the costs get lower and the patient outcomes get better. And therefore we need to rule the business, rule the hospital as a business. So operational excellence and all automotive ways of working should be very good apply also in hospitals. I think getting a business, making a hospital a business is a good thing. It gives you triggers to get better. It means not immediately when you say business, it is cutting costs, only cutting costs, but it's also making patient outcomes better, patient experience better. Yeah, it is not only about cost.